Students, take page number 187. First we have to recall trapezium. What is the meaning of trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides are parallel. One of the opposite sides are parallel. So now refer with this example. For it is a trapezium. For it has a 4 sides. This is a parallel side. One pair of side is a parallel. For these two are parallel, these two are parallel, these two are parallel. Okay. The same thing, isosceles trapezium means if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal in length and form equal angles at one of its bases, then it is called a isosceles trapezium. For these two are parallel sides. Non-parallel sides mean the remaining two sides. These non-parallel sides are in a equal length, that is called a isosceles trapezium. Students, now we are going to construct a trapezium with 4 types, that is 3 sides and 1 diagonal. That is the first method. Second method, 3 sides and 1 angle. Third method, 2 sides and 2 angles. Fourth method, 4 sides. Okay. The first method, constructing a trapezium when its 3 sides and 1 diagonals are given. One diagonal are given. Example 5.26, page number 188. Construct a trapezium board in which board in which line segment BO is parallel to line segment TA. BO equal to 7 cm, OA equal to 6 cm, BA equal to 10 cm and TA is equal to 6 cm. Also find its area. Area of a trapezium, you know, that is what is the formula trapezium? Half into H into A plus B. Okay. For question, right at left side, question and construction, right at left side, rough diagram, given rough diagram and fair diagram, you have to write in the right hand side. Left side you write the heading trapezium and write the question, given question. Then right hand side for a rough diagram. Okay. Given also you have to write. Given what is given? BO equal to 7 cm, OA equal to 6 cm, BA equal to 10 cm, TA equal to 6 cm. Write here given. You give heading and write given. Okay. For how to draw rough diagram. Give heading rough diagram. You have to use only pencil at the right hand side. You have to draw one trapezium. For this diagram looks like a parallelogram. Just you have to draw one trapezium. Trapezium means what? It is enclosed by 4 line segment. Okay, you have to draw like this, or for in a book what is mentioned like that you have to draw. For anyway we have to draw. This also consider as a trapezium because parallel sides are there. Parallel sides. Okay. One opposite sides are parallel. Now we have to mention the measurements. BO equal to 7 cm, OA equal to 6 cm, AT equal to 6 cm. One diagonal is given, that is 10 cm. Listen students. First you have to draw, refer with the rough diagram. Refer with this rough diagram. Draw a line segment BO equal to 7 cm. With the help of scale, you have to measure 7 cm. Okay, draw a line segment BO equal to 7 cm. Then with B and O as center, okay, with this B and O as center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm and 10 cm. First you have to construct one triangle. First you have to construct this triangle. How you have to construct this triangle? First you have to draw BO equal to 7 cm. Then you have to measure with the help of compass 6 cm. With the help of compass you have to measure 6 cm, that you know how to measure. So that is here 6 cm, here to here 6 cm. Okay, measure 6 cm. O as center. So like this you have to draw the arc. Then again you have to measure 10 cm. With the help of ruler you have to measure 10 cm. Okay. With the help of ruler you have to measure 10 cm. Then you have to draw another arc from B. Okay, these two arc meeting point you give the name A. Okay, for here A is there, A. So now you have to join BA and OA. Okay, then draw AX parallel to BO. Draw. First you have to draw a line segment BO. Then you have to measure the 6 centimeter. Draw the arcs from O. You have to draw arc for the measurement 6 centimeter. Then you have to draw the another arc from B with the measurement 10 centimeter. You have to mark the intersecting point. Then you have to join BA and OA. Then from A you have to draw one parallel line with the help of ruler. For this meeting point you have to, without any measurement, just you have to draw one parallel line. Like this you have to draw one parallel line. Okay, then after draw that parallel line, then the measurement is given here, it is 6 centimeter. For it is 6 centimeter given, so you have to measure 6 centimeter. Then A as center, draw an arc. For A as center, draw an arc on that parallel line. You have to draw this arc. Then you have to mark this intersecting point. Mark this point. You have to join. Give the name T. For what we mentioned in the rough diagram, you have to mention here. So it is T. Now you have to join B, T. Now we get the trapezium BOAT. Okay. Now we want to find that we need for area, we need A, B and height. The parallel sides are considered as A and B. For this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. How to construct this height? Okay, for take this scale, keep on the baseline. Keep on the baseline. Then you have to take your set square. You have to take your set square, keep in the right angle position. For fix it tightly, then use your two hands. Okay, for I am using for here like this. Press this scale tightly, then slide the set square towards the point. Like this you have to slide towards this point T. Now without shaking this, draw one perpendicular line. Okay, this is the height. Listen once again. For how to draw this height, keep this scale on the base. Then take your set square in a right angle position. For like this, press this scale tightly with your one hand. Use your another hand. Slide the set square towards the point T. Like this you have to slide. Then you have to draw one perpendicular line. This is the height. Okay, after removing that, you have to measure with the scale what is that measurement, that perpendicular line measurement. Okay, that is 5.9. Now for this is A, for it is A, parallel side it is A, it is B, otherwise it is A, it is B. Anyway you have to consider height. So formula, what is the formula for trapezium? Half into H into A plus B square units. Calculation for area for trapezium equal to half into H into A plus B square units. H is equal to, for 6 centimeter, somebody get 5.9 centimeter. I am used here for 6 centimeter. Half into 6 into, say A plus B, A is 7, B is 6. You have to add this. For it is 1, 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 13. So area equal to 39 square centimeter. Okay. For this calculation, you have to write after the construction. Construction, refer with your book and write. Students, page number 192. In second trapezium, construct the following trapezium with the given measurements. Also find their area. First problem, for AIMS with AI line segment AI parallel to line segment S. How to read this? Line segment AI parallel to line segment SM. AI equal to 6 centimeter, IM equal to 5 centimeter, AM equal to 9 centimeter and MS equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay. For it is same as that example problem. You have to try yourself. Next we will move to the next method problem. Next one, constructing a trapezium with its 3 sides and 1 angle. For that previous method is 3 sides and 1 diagonal. It is 3 sides and 1 angle are given. So that is constructed trapezium chord in which CA, line segment CA is parallel to line segment DR. CA equal to 9 cm, angle CAR equal to 70 degree. AR equal to 6 cm and CD equal to 7 cm. Also find its area. Okay, it is right at left hand side. Then given, you have to take and write given. What are the things given? Take and write. Then rough diagram. Rough diagram you have to draw like this. You need one parallel side. That's all. Okay, one parallel side. One opposite sides we need parallel. So you have to draw the rough diagram. Mention the values. CA equal to 9 cm, AR equal to 6 cm, RD equal to, for it is parallel line, this measurement is not given. CD equal to 7 cm, it is 70 degree. What are the measurements given? All the one you have to mention here. First you have to complete the rough diagram. Now fair diagram. First you have to draw the line segment CA equal to 9 cm. You have to draw one line segment for 9 cm. Okay. Then first you have to draw this line segment CA 9 cm. Then when angle is given, first we have to complete that angle. After completing the baseline, we have to measure 70 degree. How to measure 70 degree? You know, we have to use the protractor. Keep on the point A, vertex. For like this you have to use, for this point coincide with this line. For this line coincide with the point A. This baseline coincide with the line segment. You have to keep like this. 70 degree, you know, that is 70 degree. You know, it is a acute angle. So you have to measure 70 degree for here. For suppose we have a two measurement. For here 170 degree. Here 170 degree. You have to take a anti-clockwise direction. For this 70 degree you have to mention. Okay. So now you have to measure 70 degree. Measure 70 degree. Then through this point you have to draw one ray. Through this point you have to draw one ray. Okay. From this A you have to draw one ray. Then after completing that ray, given measurement AR equal to 6 cm. You have to measure 6 cm. With AS center, draw an arc for 6 cm. Okay. For 6 cm, you have to draw the arc. Keep here and draw the arc 6 cm. Then after completing that arc, mark this point. Okay, mark this point. Using this point, you have to draw one parallel line. Draw one parallel line. Okay, then you have to measure. The measurement is given for it. You have to draw without measurement. You have to draw one parallel line. For in this rough diagram given 7 cm. CD equal to 7 cm. For CS center, for you keep like this, CS center, first you have to measure 7 cm. Okay, you have to measure 7 cm. Measure 7 cm. Keep here and draw the arc on the parallel line. Okay, now you have to join. For the intersecting point you have to give the name D. For it is D. Now you have to join CD. For it is the required parallelogram. We need perpendicular line. The same way you have to follow. Keep the scale on the base. Then use your set square in a right angle position. Slide the set square from the point A. Slide the set square. Okay, towards the point. It is draw the perpendicular line. Now you have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay, the distance between the parallel lines are equal. So you use this point draw a perpendicular line. Otherwise, again you have to slide the set square towards the point here. Like this, you have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay, you know distance between the parallel lines are equal. So you have to use this point, draw a perpendicular line, or use this point to draw a perpendicular line. This point, suppose you want to find, you have to draw the imaginary line. Then you get here, or using this point you have to draw the perpendicular line. Are you clear how to construct? Draw a line segment CA, then we measure angle A equal to 70 degree. Then you have through this point, through this 70 degree point, you have to draw one ray. Then the measurement is given AR equal to 7 centimeter. With the help of ruler, you have to measure 6 centimeter and draw the arc. With the help of compass, draw the arc. Then using this intersecting point, you have to draw one parallel line. Without measurement, draw one parallel line. Then the measurement is given CD equal to 7 centimeter. So measure 7 centimeter and keep on the center, CS center, draw the arc on the parallel line. Now you have to join these 2 points. Now we get the required parallel line. Then the perpendicular line, how you have to construct? This is the base. For it is slide perpendicular, keep on the perpendicular line. Keep on the perpendicular position. Slide the set square towards the point. You have to draw the perpendicular line. After that, you have to measure this perpendicular line with the help of ruler. Students, this second question, QT with line segment CU parallel to line segment CET, CU equal to 7 centimeter, angle UCE, that is angle C 80 degree. CE equal to 6 centimeter and TE equal to 5 centimeter. This is same as that example problem. You have to refer with that example problem and complete it.